there and good evening. My name is Hinda and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be working on this waffle stitch blanket that I made a while ago, and it came out so nice, especially with this yarn. Came out absolutely gorgeous, but the only thing missing is all of these over here, these ends, and I hate sewing in ends. I always procrastinate with it. I finish a project and I put it away for eventually to sew in the ends, and it's just really horrible. So today I decided I'm going to take this and finish it all the way, and like this I can call it a completely completed project. And since this blanket has a front side and a back side, so it should be pretty easy to sew them in because I don't have to worry so much about making it really invisible, since it's anyways going to be on the back. So it should hopefully be easy, and I should be able to do it all in one sitting. I just need to put my mind to it and do it. So let's get started. I have here my scissors and my needle, and let's go. I finished. Look at that. All the tails are all nicely tucked in and cut off and hidden away, and I can now say that this blanket is completely finished and it's absolutely gorgeous and ready to use. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. All the best.